is Tayyib Shah somewhere in Saskatchewan with two great scientists, Dr. Ahmed Khan and Dr. André Lima. So I have two researchers, one from Pakistan, another one from Brazil. So I have informal discussion with them about the research work. Let's learn from them. Okay, so one is expert in the bird, and another one is the fire. So let's start with the fire. What your research is?
My research here, let's see more about Brazil. My research was there, work with fire in the Amazon region. But fire, not only identification, the fire mapping or identification of burning scars, but more the relation between fire and deforestation. So fire was more kind of layer to understand how is the land use and cover change in Amazon.
Okay, so are you using some tools and techniques?
Yes, it's completely based on first, let's say that I start working more with modes data or like a regional scale mapping burn scars in Amazon region, and of course for validation always using Landsat or now HLS data that will be Landsat and Sentinel-2 data.
Okay. So have you developed your own tools, or are you mostly using the existing ones to analyze the data?
For analyze the data lately, I use more Python, and so be libraries that will be more for the data analysis, let's say, and then for the classification.
Okay. So the fire is very common these days because of the climate change and some what is called the personal interest as well. So if we want to be continuously monitoring a fire, because the satellite data revisit time is involved, so we cannot easily detect what's happening right now. What do you suggest if somebody want to do the monitoring of the active fires, and because those fires are short life, but we need to capture. So is there any suggestion or strategy which new researchers can adopt and develop some approach where they can regularly monitor and try to control those fires become a big problem?
I think you are addressing actually two problems of the fires, concerning fires, mainly. But I think that when you are using, for example, satellites like image data like VIRS, we have a lot of information, and it's more than enough to create policies to avoid, like, or let's say control the amount of fire. But the thing is not the technique, is more the policy behind the management behind at least in the Trump Brazil, how to avoid the fire. More than, it's not a technical or a political issue and policy issue.
Okay, that's good to know that. Thank you very much for sharing their thoughts. And if you have any suggestion for the students in geospatial and remote sensing, if they want to do some quality research, what they really need to focus?
More than techniques, because I think techniques more than ever now is kind of always was important. It's important to know about the techniques, but think about questions, scientific questions. Think why you are mapping. Just don't make maps. I think maps are important, but for me, maps, at the end of the day, you can do maps for maps, no more than a description of the landscape, of the surface. And this is what the Humboldt was doing in the 19th century. So I think we can do more than just map. It's just that. So go read a lot, go field work, because geographers, or actually everybody go to see what's happening for real, not only for satellite image. So remote sensing, yeah, you need to go to field work.
And do you have any suggestion for the future research ideas where the people should do some analysis, like what we really trying to solve at this stage? What are the questions like still need to be researched?
Interesting. It's a good question and tough, actually.
Yeah.
For remote sensing,
yeah,
I still think that we still have to work more in validation and products, because everybody now is almost like if we feel knowledge can create even global maps.
Yeah.
But what is the error associated with these maps. So go for the validation, go be really serious about that. So make always for your estimation the error estimation related to these maps.
Okay, excellent. Thank you very much for your time, and we'll come back on more questions and topics.